Hello everyone, I'm Nur Shazwani and I will discuss about for question 1. Okay, the first question is define the concept of security and protection service system. This concept refers to the method and mechanism used by the operating system to protect data and system resource from unauthorized access, interference, or misuse. It ensures that only authorized user can access specific information. Okay, for question B, the question is describe the authentications, authorization, and encrypt mechanisms that enhance system security. Okay, for authentications, the process of verify a user's identity, for example, through password, fingerprints, and facial recognition. Okay, second, authorizations. Determines the level of access granted to the user after authentications.
Okay, for encryption, encryption protects our data by turning it into a secret code. For example, WhatsApp uses encryption to keep messages safe. Okay, for question C, how access control policies and privilege management can protect system promises. Access control policies is defined who can access certain resources and what action are permitted. And for privilege management, it ensures that only specific users have elevated right to perform critical tasks and reducing the risk of misuse or accidental damage.
Okay, for question D, I will explain the importance of implementing auditing, monitoring, and backup strategies to prevent and recover from security breach. Auditing and monitoring help detect suspicious activities or instructions attempt by recording system log. For backup strategies, the important data can be restored in case of cyber attack or data loss, minimizing potential damage.
Okay, for this part is my part. My name is Nur Alia. For for the first question is for one star psychology. The question is administration and human resource consists of workers using laptops and one printer. As you guys can see, the picture of that is have four four laptops five laptops and one printer. In the middle is switch 0. That is for Starsprology floor 1. Thank you. For the next question is for two Starsprology. The question is software developed and R&D consists of 10 workers using high spec desktop, two printer and one server. As you guys can see, the picture is have 10 PC, two printer with server. Also in the middle is switch 1. Thank you. Okay. For the last one is the question is customer support and sales consists of 5 workers with desktop. The picture is there is 5 PC and in the middle is switch 1 because the question is for 5 workers with desktop. So the picture should be 5 desktop over there. Thank you. Okay. For the next one is the meaning of instruction set, machine and also assembly language. For instruction set, known as a machine code, machine instruction, and also binary representation. Instruction set also represented by assembly codes. For machine language is a binary program or binary code. Natural language of a particular computer system, strings of numbers or binary codes, 0 until 1. And the last one of the meaning of machine is program written in any other language must be translated to binary before they can be executed by computer. For the last one, for meaning is assembly language. Assembly language is a symbolic representation of the machine language of specific processor, a form that is very dependent on the underlying architecture. Assembler as a translator, assembler translate ordinary such as move data into their corresponding machine language. Other than that, assembly language also the assembly process is a straight one-to-one mapping of assembly language statements to their machine language counterpart. As we know that the first one is arithmetic instruction which is mean by operation of mathematical, example, add is addition, sub is subtraction, divu is divide, mulu is multiplication, ins is increment you need to plus one, that you need to, that is decreasement you need to minus one. For the next instruction is data transfer or we call as a movement, which is move from one register to another register and data in source register remain the same or unexchanged. Now the last instruction is logical instruction, which is operation involved, not gate which is you need to invert, and gate you need to multiply, and or you need to plus or we call as addition. Now we add two C questions. Number one is move byte D0 to D1. For after answer D1 is 15. You can solve this problem by moving D0 15 two digit at the back to D1 destination. But question number two is addition byte decimal 25 to D1 destination. So after answer I did get 6E. You should change decimal 25 to hexadecimal, so I got hexadecimal 19. So 55 plus with 19, I did get 614, which is 6E. Number 3 is substitute byte D0 to D1. After answer for D1 is 40, you should take 55 minus with 15, so you got 14. For question 4, Mulu words D0 to D1. For D1, after answer is 06F9, you can simply take 4-digit number at the back, 00 and 15 times with 0055, so you just simply get 06F9, F is 15. So question 5 is Divu word hexadecimal 0005 to D1 destination. After answer I did get 11 because before answer I just simply changed 55 to decimal, so I got 85, so 85 divided by 5, so I got hexadecimal 15. So number 7 is n by hexadecimal 3c to D1 destination. After answer I did get is 14 because I did take 55 times with 3c, convert to binary code, which is 5 is 0101, 3 is 00 and 11, c is 11 and 00, so I did get 14. For question 7 is OR byte D0 to D1. After answer I did get 55 because 15 plus with 55 convert to binary code, which is 15, 1 is 00 and 1, and 5 is 0101. So I just plus, so I did get 55. And number 8 is exclusive OR by hexadecimal 25 to D1 destination. I take 55 plus with 35 convert to binary code, which is this question, same number is equals to 0, different number is equals to 1. So you just plus, as usual, I did get 70 for question number 8.